Today I'm going to show you a dessert that encompasses 1 can of sliced pears. It would be nicer if you got it with light syrup. All that means is it's less sugar than this full, oh no, never mind, this is an extra light syrup. So the extra light syrup would be better than the light syrup. So let's check. So if we were to look at the ingredient panel, we want to look at the sugar. There's 12 sugars here. If you look at this one here, there are 9 sugars. So we want the one with the 9 sugars. Okay, so we'll put this for another day. The second part is we're going to incorporate thick, this is a plant-based product, thick and thin protein superfood. It's got 10 grams of protein, 10 grams of fiber, it has omega-3s, 160 milligrams, antioxidants, vitamin A. It's vegan. Okay, so come see this unique dessert that I'm making. Something that's simple, you don't have to add anything else than these pears and these bars on top. They'll be baked in the oven, and when they come out, they'll be just plain delicious. Come and watch and see how I do.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Once your pears are out of the can, place this bar on top, and you're just going to crumble the top off. Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm hoping that this portion here crumbles up and gets kind of like a little, not quite burnt, just kind of caramelized, especially with the amount of sugar that are in these bars. And then with the pears, he'll make like a pear crisp. But sometimes in a bite, you want to have a little party, you want to have a little snack for your family, you want to eat this all by yourself, in front of a tube. Maybe you're looking at my videos and you're saying, boy, I can't wait to make this. This is how easy it is. Now, you could put one more bar if you wanted to, but you have plenty right here. And what you do is you just tap it down a little bit, like so. And you're going to put a little bit of liquid, and I mean very little. And the idea of that is so that you don't want to get the pears on the bottom to burn. And I'm watching the sides here to see what the level is. Because it's going to evaporate in the oven. Alright, so now we have to wait for the oven. So we're going to clean up the kitchen while this goes on. Alright, so what you're seeing here is the crumbles are ready. Turn off the alarm. Carefully grab it by the handle. Put it on top of the stove top. And we're going to turn off the oven. So now we have no time over here. Now let's take a look at the dessert. And that's exactly what I wanted. See how the top is slightly, it's not burnt, it's kind of crisp. So what we're going to do, pull out a plate. Don't touch this because that's really hot. Move it over a little bit. So you can see me do this. Just off a spatula. And you're going to have to hold on to this while you're doing this. And just cut yourself a square or whichever is possible. And that's what it will look like. It's hot, but it's good. Now, if you needed to have more on here, you could put some agave nectar on it. I got this at Sam's Club. And you could just pour a little bit. I mean, what you're doing is just kind of complementing the top already. And that's it. Not even a teaspoon. And then to taste it, And it's going to be hot because it just came out of the oven. So what happens is the crust that you put on top has permeated the pear on the bottom, and it's a very nice and complementary to each other. So this is a win. I hope you enjoyed this shortcut vegan dessert. Pears and thinkTHIN protein superfood bars. I hope you enjoyed this video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.